we used to have into YMCA competitions, and we introduced a trophy for competitions between YMCA which were on a fun theme rather than sort of like normal football. We wouldn't play normal football, we'd play blindfold football, or which YMCA could eat the most baked beans with a cocktail stick, that sort of thing. But it was just sort of a fun thing, this trophy, to try and get young people from different YMCAs feeling that they belong to more than just their own local YMCA.
We went to Lakeside, we went to Rhyl, we did events within the region, and so we did the regional walk. We did some developmental events where you went away for the weekend and did sort of just leadership skills and things like that. And always a trip to Lakeside, which was brilliant, really.
And then from there, as I say, progressed. I got more and more involved, invited to go to Lakeside and get involved with sort of putting on more programme and organising competitions and that.
Me and Amy went to YMCA Lakeside when we were about 8, I think, and did all zip lining and everything, and orienteering.
That day, weren't they? We all went on that day up at, I think it was up at Lakeside, we did that team day thing. With all those, you know when you have those things and there's like planks of wood and you've got to get across on it. And there's like wooden rope and that with a barrel and you've really get it.
No, that went Lakeside, that were...
in a lake.
What? A conference centre somewhere, yeah. I can't remember what it was called.
They had a massive fence. I can remember going to London. I went to London with YMCA when I'd been about 2. I got some photos at home. And 4 hour in minibus. Because I was little and I would sit at the front because my dad used to drive it, then my mum would sit in front and then I'd sit, like my mum did, and then I'd sit on the edge, and then my mum got out and opened the door and I was asleep leaning on the door and just fell out at minibus.
And we've been to Edinburgh for History March.
History March. Yeah, no.
Slept on a YMCA floor.
Gym floor.
With no roof. Well, bits of roof missing.
The young people are interested in the global perspective and they all want to go internationally. Having seen other young people do it, they want to do it now. And suddenly it opens up a different world to you, doesn't it? And they're much more interested. And the work we did recently on the Sotsy film around gangs, that's really opened up their eyes into experiences of other young people and what their lives are like. Not in terms of extreme poverty, but how young people are living their lives and how they can not necessarily influence it, but go and experience that and contribute in some way to creating a positive environment. Like they want to go and run some kind of summer scheme that they're very skilled at running in Barnsley YMCA. They want to take that out to an international field and do it, which is very exciting. I hope they get there, because they have the skills to do it. But it's wanting to engage that's important, because obviously to get to places like that you have to be prepared to get up and do stuff, to go out, to take part. So for example, recently we took 3 of them down to Greenbelt where they went to help run the showers, which is quite a intense experience, running showers, putting up with people, cleaning showers, to do that, to raise money for their region, to enable young people to participate, not them as individuals but their region. That involves quite a bit of wider thinking about your impact on the wider world rather than just a relationship about what you can give and take.
Went to Greenbelt a couple of weekends ago, Greenbelt Festival, Christian Festival, and went with a group that were looking after the showers, and I did my bit as well on the showers, but also got told by Ken Montgomery, the regional coordinator for YMCA England for the North East and Yorkshire, to bring a video camera and a laptop, and he hooked me up with a guy called John there on audio talks and recordings, and I was potting about the site recording stuff on camera for Greenbelt, hopefully some of that footage that I shot will be used in promotional stuff and internal stuff at Greenbelt. And it was more of an experiment this year than anything else to see how it would go, so hopefully next year we'll get a bit more organised and Barnsley YMCA will have quite a big input into the media side of Greenbelt, and maybe producing DVDs and things. I might be able to take a small team, hopefully. That's my plan. Yeah. If I can convince Ken and Andrea and Dave to free me from the showers.